All right, so these are just my corn tostadas. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some traditional refried beans, and I'm just gonna do a nice scoop on each of my tostadas, maybe a little bit more than that. And the beans are totally optional. If you don't like refried beans, you can skip this part, but I like a little bit of beans on mine. Okay, perfect, a little bit more. I used about 3/4 of the can for 6 tostadas. Okay, and just kind of spread that out so it's nice and flat on top of our tostadas. These are gonna be so good, you guys. Such an easy dinner for the weekday. You just need a couple ingredients and it's so yummy. Okay, almost beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some rotisserie chicken that was shredded. I just bought this at the store already ready, but you can obviously make your own chicken if you prefer. You could also do beef, you could do no meat. I know bean tostadas are super popular too, but we're gonna do a nice amount of chicken on each of these, right on top of that bean, refried beans. Just like this. Ooh, this is gonna be so delicious. I know I keep saying that, but it's the truth. All of these flavors are gonna be nice and yummy, and we're gonna heat it up, and it's just gonna be so nice. All right, almost done here. So 1 package, which is like about 1/2 pound of this shredded chicken, should be enough for your 6 tostadas. Okay, and I know this chicken looks a little bland, but don't you worry, I'm gonna fix that. I would never give you some bland chicken. We always gotta add some flavor here. Even though it's pre-cooked, doesn't mean you can't season it up after. Okay, that looks good. Let's not waste this chicken. Let's spread it out and use the whole 1/2 pound. All right, beautiful. Now, like I said, we're gonna season this up. I just have some taco seasoning. But if you don't have taco seasoning, you can use chili powder, you can use paprika, whatever you like, whatever seasonings you like for like a Mexican inspired dish. Okay, beautiful. And then before we pop these in the oven, I'm gonna grab some 4 Mexican cheese, and we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle on top, just like this. And this is just gonna really tie in all of those flavors and make it super cheesy and delicious. Because these are my easy tostadas that you're gonna wanna make every week because they're just so easy and so delicious. Okay, get some good cheese on here. We don't wanna skimp out on the cheese either. Okay, it's a little messy, but don't worry. It's worth the mess. All right, so we're gonna pop this in the oven just for like 10 minutes to let that cheese melt. My oven sets at 350 and we'll be right back. Would you look at those? Oh my gosh, they look so good. Okay, finish these up. I have some shredded lettuce. We're just gonna put right on top, just like this. Ooh, I like that little crunch of lettuce with mine. Okay, make sure you get a good amount on each one. Perfect. Yummy. All right, I have some diced up tomatoes. I diced it up a lot because I don't want big chunks of tomato on mine. And we're just gonna put a little bit on top of each of these, and you can use whatever toppings you like. These are just the ones I like because they're my favorite and it reminds me of a taco. All right, last but not least, I have some sour cream. I'm using the little squeezy bottle so I can just squeeze some right on top, just like this. Makes my job so much easier. Beautiful. Time to enjoy, okay? But for mine, I'm not gonna put them on all of them, but I'm gonna put some Cholula on mine, which is gonna be, I think this one. This one looks good. Ooh. It's warm, but I'm excited. So let's just get some Look at nice and delicious. All right, I'm ready to try. This looks like a good bite right here. So good, you guys.